Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit your notification bells. I just got back in from taking some photos, just changed my clothes, got into my Park Avenue robe. Make sure you guys check the description box and get you one too. Thank you guys for everybody who has been purchasing because I'm just really excited that you guys are loving it. So let's talk about these packages that I got because they're starting to pile up. And I actually got another notification of a new box that just came, another PR package, but I'm just gonna have to open that one another time. And make sure you guys go subscribe to my main channel because we're almost at 100K. If you love fashion, then you definitely are going to love it over there. So head over there. But now let's open some of these packages. This first one is from Thread Beauty. They actually reached out to me before, but this is the first time I actually got a package from them. So let's see what it is. Okay, so here's what's inside. There's a bunch of stuff in here actually. Thread is a black-owned brand. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, and it's Detroit based. But this looks like a concealer that they sent. It's called Cover It, multi-use complexion fluid. Definitely down to try this because I'm looking for new concealers right now. They sent me this lip, it looks like a lipstick. It's called Peep Show, that's pretty. Prime and Set It, Hydra Matte Setting Spray. I'll try that. Then this is Light Neutral Warm, what is this? It looks like a complexion stick. Yeah, complexion stick, exactly what it says. They sent me 2 complexion sticks, mascara. These are the complexion sticks. They also sent a powder. This is a Finish It translucent powder. They sent me 2 of those. And then we got some more lip products, another lipstick. This one looks like it's like a berry color, maybe a brownish berry color. And then a clear gloss, which I needed. I needed another lip gloss. And then they also sent me Precision Liquid Liner in black. Thank you, Thread Beauty. And let me know if you guys tried this before, because I've never tried anything from them before. Then this one is from Kiehl's. We can already see that. So let's look at this. This is Stop Stripping, Start Cleansing. This is their Ultra Facial Barrier Hydrating Cleanser, cream to foam formula. I actually really like this cleanser. Gently peel back the strip for the ultimate ASMR experience. Let's see. They have like some little paper clouds in here that I can't even take out because this doesn't come loose. I don't know if I was doing it wrong. Oh, I'm supposed to keep peeling the whole entire thing around. But it says Stop Stripping, Start Cleansing. That's what it says on there. And I guess if you really love ASMR, you would just, you know, unwrap it really slowly. Well, thank you, Kiehl's. This is the cream to foam formula. I feel like maybe the one I tried was a little bit different because the packaging wasn't like this. It was a shiny material. This is kind of matte. But I'm excited to try this if this is not the same one that I did try before. But I really love Kiehl's products, so excited for this one. Next up, this one says from L'Oreal. This one is Flower Bomb Extreme by Victor and Rolf. And let me tell you guys, Flower Bomb is so nostalgic. And I know it's nostalgic for a lot of people because I used to wear this to death, Flower Bomb. When it first came out, you couldn't tell me there was a better fragrance than Flower Bomb. I just was so obsessed with it and I wore it literally all the time. And I've probably gone through so many bottles of Flower Bomb. Notes about it, but Flower Bomb Extreme, Victor and Rolf. The intense floral explosion pushes boundaries. Explosive beauty meets delicate elegance, blending with a subversive touch. Dare to bloom and experience an unforgettable olfactory journey. They sure know how to word something. But this is the packaging. Oh, it's pretty. I really like that. It definitely smells like Flower Bomb, the same Flower Bomb I remember, but it does have something a little bit extra. Maybe it's like slightly sweeter. I don't know the notes in here, but it kind of gives me like grape. I don't know if fragrance usually has grape in it, but it kind of reminds me of that. Kind of like how some of the Caudalie has a fragrance that's in a purple container, which all this stuff is in purple containers, I believe, but it smells grapey. But I like it, it smells good, very pleasant. But it definitely, it has that Flower Bomb DNA, so love that. Thank you, L'Oreal. And now this last one I was actually really excited for when they reached out to me and said they wanted to send me something. This is from Colleen Rothschild. And I've never tried anything from them, but they had one product in particular that I was very, very curious to try, so hopefully it's in here. Oh, this is cute. They got it set up like a little newspaper in there. So it's like extra, read all about it. That's what I'm assuming. The Icon's Essential Usage Guide. So it looks like what's in here is the illuminating tinted eye cream, which is exactly what I wanted to try. The glycolic peel pads with blue agave, and Quench and Shine Restorative Mask. This is a hair mask. Their packaging is really nice, very luxe. So pretty, excited to try these. I've heard about the restorative hair mask. I've heard that this is actually really, really good. I love the way this looks, so I hope it is as good as it looks. Excited to try this because I'm gonna wash my hair today or tomorrow. And then these are the glycolic pill pads in here. And then this is really what I was so excited to try. This illuminating tinted eye cream. From what I've seen, that this does a good job of just illuminating under eye, so you can wear it without makeup or underneath makeup if you wanted to. So we'll see. It's like a tinted eye cream, but it definitely leans a little bit more pink, and it looks like it has maybe some light reflecting pearlescence to it, maybe to combat the darkness under your eyes. We'll see. And it says minimal effort, maximum results. I like that. So thank you, Colleen Rothschild. I also got some new things in from Express. I'm actually about to do a campaign for them. Maybe that video will be live already before you see this one. So if you guys want to go see it on the main channel, head over there and check it out. I'm not even sure if everything is in here from my order, but we'll see. We'll find out together. Express always sends a 10% off coupon. Every time I make an order from them, it always has a 10% off coupon in there. Ooh, Flower Brown was a little sweet. It's very, very strong. It smells good, you guys, but it is very extreme. They were right about that. It kind of reminds me a little bit of Delina. Okay, so I don't see the pants in here. Oh, they are in there. But I got this suit. It's a pinstripe, but it's in an olive color, which I thought was very unusual. I don't usually see pinstripes. Mostly you'll see navy blue, black pinstripe suits. So I love that they did this in an olive. And it looks like on the website, this was more like a hourglass kind of silhouette. Not extreme hourglass, just more tailored. So I was excited to try this. And then the pants are the editor cut pant. They're the flare trouser high rise. And so many of you guys, well, on my main channel and over on Instagram, whenever I post the other flare pants that I have that are the editor cut, everybody asks me where I got them from, and they are Express. But I really love those, so I figured I would try this one as well. And it was a part of the suit, so of course you have to try the whole suit. But this is it. And then Express has a new style of trousers. And so since I'm always looking for pants, I was like, let me try this one too. And this is called, what is it called? Luxe Comfort wide leg trouser. This is a high rise. I'm assuming they have the scrunchy waist. It has an elasticized waist in the back of the pants. I'm assuming to combat that waist gap, because Express is usually pretty good about those kind of things. So we'll see. This is black with white piping. Love that, little sporty look. And then I just got the same pair of pants in another color because they work out. If I like it, I'll get it in another color. And this is more like a taupey color. And then the last thing I got here are a pair of shorts. They're the same loose fit as the trousers, the wide leg trouser. And the Luxe Comfort, they make a short version of them, and they have the elasticized waistband in the back. And they're supposed to fit like loose and really nice. So we'll see how they look on me. But that's everything that I got on my PR and the order that I got in from Express. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna clean up, and then I'll see you guys later. Okay, you guys, so we just came out of the studio to clean up again. We had to do the cleaning in phases because it was just so much dust from all the construction. So me and my mother came over, I vacuumed, she mopped, and now it was like way better. It was way less dust than it was last time when we came here. So we'll just keep doing that until everything is like all the official construction stuff is finished. But of course, we'll just continue to like, you know, clean up throughout the duration. And then we can just do regular maintenance cleanups after that. But yeah, everything is looking good. We got a lot of dust up, and now we're gonna head home and, you know what I'm saying, have the rest of our day. So I'll see you guys later.
So I've been working on this accent wall for a few hours, but I had to pause because some of the pieces are bent, so I need to go to Home Depot and replace them. But look at it so far, everything is looking real nice. It's coming together real beautiful. It's a whole new day and I'm back at the studio. I was just too tired last night, y'all. I just had to dip out and Ashley was waiting for me. But today I'm back at the studio. I put up this rack that's gonna hold the switch, our router, and it's gonna host the security cameras. So I had to terminate each one of the wires, and that's what I've been doing. So I've been back in the studio for about maybe 30 minutes. So basically, I gotta put all of these on the end of the Ethernet cables and terminate the outlet box. So this is the Cat 6A Keystone jack. These is kind of a little complicated to put in. It's a little tedious. So after I do this one, I gotta take Ashley to the mall real quick. I'm gonna pause right there. I gotta take Ashley to the mall real quick. And then I'm gonna come back. Well, before I come back, I gotta go get a security camera because we're about to start moving things in and I just wanna make sure the place is secure before we put any valuables in here. So stay tuned, I'll be back.
Hey you guys, so I'm just getting ready for the day. I'm about to run to the mall, run some errands. And I gotta go pick up some mail. But I figured I would just do a little something so I could look a little more put together because I feel really good. I feel like I slept well. I was a little tired this morning, like a little sleepy, but once I got up, I was fine. I've been doing my fasting. I kind of like stopped doing it because I feel like I shared it with you guys before that I was doing intermittent fasting, and I kind of stopped doing it, and now I'm back to doing it. So I feel really good when I do it. So I don't break my fast until 12 p.m. And I feel like last night I stayed up a little bit too late, or this might be the week before my cycle, which would explain this little pimple. But I am slightly tired, but not really. I just had some green tea and peppermint tea, or like a mint medley tea, because they were out of my peppermint tea, which was so annoying. It's like, who is buying all of that peppermint tea? Because every time I go to the supermarket, it's only like two left on the shelf, which pisses me off. I don't even get it. I got a mint medley tea this time, and then I drink it with my green tea. And that's what I did this morning. When I get back, I'm gonna break my fast. But it's actually not that hard once I like commit in my head. And then the other day, like last Friday into Saturday, I did a 24-hour fast, which means basically I just ate one meal that day. And once you get all the like the nutrients you need in your meals, it's really not that hard if you stay away from like a bunch of like snacky foods and stuff like that. Like if people are around you eating a bunch of stuff, I don't know, because I haven't had that. I guess I haven't had that issue, but I don't know. Right now it feels easy to me, so I'm just gonna keep letting it be easy, you know? Okay, I barely did my brows, and then I put a little bit of my Chanel cream bronzer on, and then I'm just gonna go through the center of my face with my new Super Boost from Makeup Forever. They sent me this, but I really like it. Well, honestly, if I'm honest, I like all my Makeup Forever products. I really, really do. It's really light. I think it's just a skin tint, so it's not like tons of coverage, but it just does a nice job of like evening out skin tone. So I just put like a little bit. Sometimes all over, sometimes just the center of my face. It just really depends. My skin, maybe it's like purging a little bit because after that fast that I did, I started taking some new supplements. Hopefully those are not messing with me. I think it's from when I put my brow gel on that I pressed a little bit too hard right there because I feel like I have this red splotch, but only when I do my makeup. And I washed my hair a week ago at home, and I pretty much had it up in I blew it out and I just put it up in a bun. And I really just put my scarf on. Like I wasn't really styling it or anything like that. But I'm gonna wash my hair today or the day after tomorrow, or tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, because I'm gonna get my hair done. And my hair, I use this Colleen Rothschild shampoo, this hair mask, even after styling my hair and using, different products and hot tools and things like that. But it smells so good. It smells so good. I wish it was a body product too. Like I wish it had like a body lotion or a body butter in the same scent, because it smells so good. It's like, it just smells so good. It's like, to me, it would be such a nice fragrance, such a nice like body oil, body butter, like the whole thing. They should do it. It smells so good. So I actually bought the lighter, the clear, the translucent of the Laura Mercier powder, because I felt like my powder wasn't lightening enough. But I feel like the mix for me is the yellow, the honey, the color honey, mixed with the translucent just to lighten up the honey a little bit, at least until summer, because I feel like it just wasn't light enough for me. Or what I do sometimes, I feel like it wasn't light enough for my under eyes, but the light one I feel like is a little too ashy for my under eye, if that makes any sense. Cause I just wasn't happy with how it looks alone. Cause what I do is I go in with the translucent one by itself, just at first on heavier makeup days. Like now I'm just slapping it on like I don't really care. But then I decided to go in because I don't have any more of the honey in the translucent. Then I go in with my Pat McGrath Labs. This is in the color yellow. This is the Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. And I actually really, really like this, but I got it for touch-ups and sometimes setting my under eye, but I prefer to use this for like touch-ups, even though it's really nice. You can use it for setting too. But I just mixed like a yellow powder and my other one from Laura Mercier to kind of get what I'm looking for. But I don't know if I'm really getting what I'm looking for. But I do really like both powders. It's just that sometimes I feel like my skin goes through these phases where all of a sudden, like, I don't even care or like any of my makeup products. It's really weird. And then I'll go back to something I was using before and then I love it. Let's do peach today. Let's go with the NARS Orgasm Edge. I've been loving this one. I had this one for a while. I've been wearing it and I really love it. I feel like all compacts should have the little blurring mirror thing on it. And then let me decide when I want to take it off. And the Sephora sale is coming up. So let me know if you guys want to see my pics. I probably will share them. I'll just go ahead and share them both on YouTube and Instagram, but it'll be on my main page. So make sure you guys go over to my main page. But if you want me to my main YouTube channel, that's where I'll probably share it. But if you want me to share it on the vlog channel, let me know. Because I know some people like the vlog, some people like to sit down, you know what I mean? And I know every once in a while, dip your toes back and forth. So you let me know what you want to see. Oh, I wanted to wear this today. I totally forgot. Let's put a little bit on top. The Yummy Skin Lowlighters. I really love these actually. So let's wear that today. And it's like so subtle. I don't even know if you'll be able to see it on camera. But in real life, it is so subtle, but really, really beautiful. Still loving my Lancome Flutter Extension Mascara. Still loving it. I'm also, I think during the Sephora sale, I'm going to pick up the primer. This maybe again, but I have so many mascaras that I have to get through that I don't know if I'm going to repurchase this for now anyway. But I do really love it as far as lengthening. But I'm going to look at the other mascaras that I have. I don't think any of them are specifically for lengthening. So I might still buy this and then use it in combination with the other mascaras. Because I mentioned it before, but I really don't feel that any one mascara gives you everything that you're looking for. But usually I like volume over length anyway. So it's not a big deal. But I like this one so much for lengthening that I would purchase it again and just do a combo lash. Okay, so here's the outfit. I am wearing this really old top from JCPenney. People ask me all the time where this top is from, and it's from JCPenney, but it's really old now. And then I'm wearing my Gap jeans. These are the men's 90s loose jeans. They're very comfortable, but I do want to break them in. Like, I need to wear them more. You know how jeans are, so I just want to wear them a lot more. And then on my feet, I'm wearing my Gucci slides. Love them. And then it's a little chilly outside, so I just have on some cashmere socks from J. Crew. My trench coat is Free People, and my bag is Loewe. Everything I'm wearing is old except my jeans and my slides. And then my my hair, I have on my J. Crew little hair clip. Love that. My Ideal jewelry. Love these pieces. They're so cute. Pinky ring is David Yurman. And that's the look. Comfortable and cute. Run some errands.
I had to make a quick little stop at the farmer's market.
Okay, I'm back from the mall, you guys. I got there at the literal perfect time because as soon as I got there, it was a bunch of parking spots. But then when I left, everything was full, like packed. I could barely back out of the parking space. They really didn't have a lot in stock in the store that I was interested in, but I did get a couple of things. Let me show you. I got this off-the-shoulder top from Naked Wardrobe. When I read the reviews, I wasn't even going to get it because when I was reading the reviews, I was going to order it online, and then I just saw that my store had it. The reviews were actually negative, but one person left a review saying that everybody had the shirt on wrong in all the other reviews. It looks like probably this larger side would be the bottom, but it's the part that folds down and goes over your shoulder because it's an off-the-shoulder top. The way the sleeves are, it just looks like it would be upside down. And it has like a little bit of ruching on the side. And it hugs really, really nicely. And the fabric is really thick. It's double lined. It also comes in cream. I think I might grab the cream one too. But we're going into spring, so I don't know. I mean, we're in spring, but we're going into summer. So that wouldn't probably, I don't need it. But it is really cute. So I don't know. We'll see. Because it's like a warm kind of top. And it'll be warm in 2 seconds here. Like, it'll really be hot, actually. I was also going to try on this pinstripe suit from Naked Wardrobe. I had seen it on, I forgot her name, Heather Sanders. I saw this pinstripe suit that she had on. It had exaggerated shoulders. It was black with white pinstripes, and the pants were nice and flowy. It looked really, really cute. But in person, I wasn't crazy about it. But it was really cute. But I didn't even bother trying on the pants because the jacket didn't look good on me, so I didn't bother trying on the pants. But I really went to the mall to try on these Jeffrey Campbell mules. They were on sale, and they said they had a 9 in Nordstrom, and usually Jeffrey Campbell runs a little bit small. So I went to grab these. They come in another color too, but I really liked the black and gold. They also come in like burgundy with the gold, but they were really, really cute. Now, unfortunately, they are not actual patent leather, but they are still really, really cute. And the heel height is comfortable. I am curious to try on an 8.5 or an 8. I don't think these even came in half sizes because Nordstrom didn't have the half sizes listed. So I'm going to go look, and then maybe I'll order the 8 so I can compare. Just because I feel like this was fine. But you know how when you try a shoe on and it's like a little bit of space, so you're like, should I go down a size? But then if you go down a size, you don't want it to be like exact, you know? But we'll see. But I really like them. They're really comfortable. They're super, super cute. And they look really high-end and expensive on the foot. So these were a good buy. And I didn't even tell you guys about my glasses. Literally, so it's funny because I actually found out after the fact that I had these glasses for 1 year this month. What happened was I went to take them off of my face. I came back from Walking Gizmo and went to take them off of my face, put them down on the counter, bent down to take off Gizmo's harness. And when I turned around to pick up my glasses to put them away, the actual lens was not in the glasses. Like, it was laying next to the glasses. So I picked them up like, oh my gosh, what happened? And I thought that the frame had cracked because next to the like the nose tab, it's like a seam and it looks like it cracked. And I was about to flip. Like, I had got these from Neiman Marcus, but I know Bottega does like, like warranties with their bags and with their stuff. So I was about to call Bottega. I went to look up their warranty, and then I called Neiman's because that's where I got these from. And I'm like, does the Bottega warranty carry over to the department store? Trying to figure that out. The man had me on hold. I called customer service. I was just outraged because I couldn't believe it. I had never even dropped these. I love these sunglasses so much. So anyway, long story short, I was about to take these to Bottega and talk to them there, and I knew they were gonna have to send them out and all of this, everything. And then Winston, I was talking to him. The glasses were sitting in my closet, and I was talking to Winston, and he just looked over and saw the glasses sitting there with the lens next to it. He was like, what happened? Because he knows how much I love these glasses. And I was like, they cracked. I was literally about to be all hysterical. And then he was like, it looks like the screw's missing. And I was like, what? So they're like tiny little screws that hold the frame together.
And guess who saved the day?
He really did, because y'all, I would have been so sad about these glasses. Like, literally, I love these glasses so much. I refer these glasses to you guys all the time. And even though I have a bunch of sunglasses, like, I reach for these so often because, first of all, they're so cute. And they have the perfect indoor-outdoor lens, you know? So, they're just perfect. They're a good size. They're not too large. They're not too small. I just love them right now, you know? So, I would have been really upset about these. But once it fixed them, we got this kit off of Amazon. It was like $10, maybe $9. It was really inexpensive. And we got the one that had all the gold screws. But if we ever need another one, like silver screws for another pair of sunglasses, we'll just order it because it was so inexpensive. But he fixed it. It comes with actual screwdrivers too, but Winston has a screwdriver kit that was like better. I'm assuming that the screwdrivers that came with it would have been fine. But
I got a certain set of skills.
He got a certain set of skills. He was saying that while he was fixing it. You remember, what was the name of the movie? Taken, when the guy was like, I will find you. I have a certain set of skills and I will find you and I will kill you. Anyway, so he was saying that because he had his thing, like unfolded the screws. They are really nice because they have like the small ones, the tiny ones. And so he tightens my sunglasses all the time. Like whenever they come loose, I don't have to take them to the optical place, you know? Because honestly, they'll charge you just to replace the nose tabs. They'll charge you like $20, sometimes $25, $30. And I know that it shouldn't cost that much, but what am I gonna do? Like, I don't know how to replace nose tabs. But the kit that we ordered from Amazon had the nose tabs in there. They had the screws, a bunch of different size screws, little tiny ones, you know, but like different lengths. And so it was easy for him to fix it. And then I had another pair of sunglasses, my Tom Ford sunglasses, that I hadn't worn in like over a year because I kept saying I got to take them to get the nose tabs replaced. One of them actually fell off. And I had those sunglasses a long time. So that was like normal wear and tear. Anyway, they had the nose tabs in the kit that we bought. So Winston replaced the nose tab in those as well. So anyway, it's really easy, you guys, if you want to do it yourself as far as like the maintenance on your sunglasses. Because I take care of my sunglasses and I love them and I wear them, you know. So that was really nice. And I remember I used to work at a resale company, and we had to change out take out the watch links because we sold the watches. And I remember the first time I saw somebody do it, and when they taught me how to change the link in a watch, I was like, wow, this is like so easy. Obviously, when you get to a really high-end watch, it might be different because the links can be connected differently, but most like contemporary brand watches that have links, they're so easy to take out. There's a kit that they sell on Amazon, and you can do it yourself. Like, you do not have to pay to take the links out of your watch, depending on the watch, obviously, but most watches that have links, you can get them out easily. And maintain your sunglasses. I was like shocked at how easy it is, because when something is wrong like that, I'm like, oh, let me go take it to the professionals who are regular people that just learn how to do one little thing. Exactly it's just pretty much the same thing when you go to like Sephora, the makeup counter. Like, I feel like there are people who are trained and people who want to be makeup artists are learning to be makeup artists, or maybe they are and then this is like their side gig. But most of the people that work at these makeup counters are not trained in any kind of way. I mean, when I worked at a makeup counter for a short time, and they did have some trainings, but at the end of the day, I was still a very much regular girl who just was more like a makeup enthusiast. You know? So you can figure it out. You're a smart girl. You can do it. And then, I got a couple more PR packages. Let's open those right now too. And actually, before we open the PR, I ordered a sweatshirt from the Gap. And I want to see how it looks. Even though I tried it on already in the store. You guys know I love a bubble sweatshirt. This is what I got from the Gap. It's like this bubble sweatshirt. They had a bunch of colors. And I was back and forth because I haven't been loving pink like that. But now I feel like I'm loving it again. Maybe because it's spring. I don't know. But I thought this was really cute. Now, a couple of PR boxes. Let's start with this one. Let's see what they sent me. I hope it's another brush in here. Yes! It's another brush in here. Love, love, love. Okay,
oh my gosh, you got a brush?
Yes, I got a brush, and I'm so excited.
Goodness.
No,
wow.
This actually is really exciting because this is literally my favorite brush out of mine. All my breakup brushes, this is my favorite brush. And I still have the last one they sent me, but it broke. Like, it didn't break. It did break.
That's so amazing.
No, it is amazing. It actually is.
I know.
Oh my gosh, so annoying. It separated. You know how the metal comes away from the wood? So I just glued that train right back together because I love that brush. And I was going to buy another one anyway, but they sent this one. So now I have two. This is perfect. I'm very excited about that. Like, I really am. Even though Winston's over here making fun of me. Let's see what they sent me. So, hi, Ashley. We are so excited for you to try the #1 SPF foundation in America with 7-in-1 benefits. Full coverage, anti-aging, serum, SPF 50+, correcting, smoothing, hydrating, and concealing. So this is the CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream. Hopefully the colors are better this time because I feel like last time I did not have a good color match. But if it doesn't work out, I'm just going to write them so they could give me the right colors because I really want it to work out. I like the way they're, I like their stuff. And then they sent me another brush. This is what is this? The spatula brush, and this is what it looks like. Oh, they sent me another shade in the CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream. And then Confidence in a Cream Barrier Boost. They sent that. Yeah, this is different than the one I've tried before. The one I had was in like a pink glass jar. This just looks like a translucent purple. So this is definitely a different product. And then they sent Sun Blush, a Glow with Confidence Sun Blush in Sun Warmth. It looks like actually this might be perfect. A peachy orangey color, because that's what I'm looking for to wear underneath my NARS Orgasm Edge blush, the matte blush, like my favorite peachy color blush right now. I was looking for a peachy colored orangey blush to wear, cream blush to wear underneath or liquid. So let's try that with that and see how it goes. And I actually have, now that I think about it, I have two other, I hope it's not a color repeat, but I have two other of these It Cosmetics cream blushes that I've been meaning to try out and I haven't since they sent those to me. So let me try those as well. But so happy, thank you It Cosmetics, because this brush is literally the best brush, like for real. Now this one is from Ellis Brooklyn. I've never tried any of their scents. I did see, maybe I smelled it in Sephora, but I can't remember, you know. And this is their, so they sent their marshmallows hair and body fragrance mist. I'm not even sure how I feel about marshmallows because I feel like I can't ever like detect it in fragrance. Like I'm not sure what does it even smell like. I don't know. I'm just gonna spray it on the box. I don't know if this is the marshmallow that I'm smelling, but I'm getting more vanilla. I feel like it's not overly sweet, which is good. But obviously this is the kind of thing you need to try on your actual body to know for sure. Or something like that, but it smells good. So thank you, Ellis Brooklyn. Oh, it's a glass jar too. I think that's good. I like glass jars. And that's everything that I got. So I haven't eaten yet, and I didn't intend to fast this long. My dinner was at 6:30 last night. That's when I finished eating. But I'm gonna make a yogurt bowl to break my fast. They're so good. I'm so excited. It's my favorite thing to eat right now. And Winston's making dinner. He's making, what are you making?
Mackerel rondon.
What are you making?
Mackerel rondon.
Okay, what are you doing right now?
I'm cutting up pumpkin, or calabash, some people call it. Jamaicans call it pumpkin. Well, I'm making a, Trinidadians call it oil down, Jamaicans call it rondon. So I'm making a Norway mackerel rondon. I'm gonna have pumpkin in it, green bananas, yellow yam, carrots, and Norway mackerel.
And it's about to be banging. The last time he made it, it was so good. I feel like we ate it in like a day.
I might put curry in it. I might curry it.
And last time he made this curry sauce, and he made it like this, like he wanted like a snack, like a late snack or something, and he made this curry sauce that was so good. And I didn't want it to go bad, but he had made other things. So every time he makes something new, obviously we eat the new thing. But I hate when food gets spoiled. Like I hate to throw away food. So I try to like save stuff so that we eat it later on. So we have to literally say we're going to have leftovers tonight, so that way we eat the leftovers and not waste the food, because I hate wasting food. Like I literally hate wasting food. So
I just gotta cook smaller portions. I cook too big of portions. Like even right now, like what I'm cooking right now, it really shouldn't be that big, but
it's good though.
It's too late.
Okay, I'm gonna make my yogurt bowl now. Oh, look at it. Look at it. You want to taste that at least?
Come on now. It's so funny because I eat most things, but I can't do the what's the name.
My grandma don't like yogurt either. She don't like yogurt. That's what she calls yogurt. But you like mashed potatoes, right?
Mashed potatoes? Mm-hmm. You got sour cream in it. It's not yogurt.
Well, Greek yogurt is just like sour cream.
No, it ain't. No, it's not. Funny thing though, kefir.
Kefir? I don't know how to say it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try that.
I think it's different than kefir because it's spelled with an A.
It's all mashed up now. So they can't see how cute it was.
It's spelled with an A, what I'm talking about. Or is it? Yeah, I think it's different. I think it's pretty much the same thing, probably a different country. Because in Iran, they call it kefir. Mm-hmm. That thing I made, you're supposed to use that, but I use sour cream instead.
Well, I watched this video and this lady was like, she was still having sugar cravings. And she's Russian or something, I can't remember what.
What she was doing?
But her grandmother recommended her drinking kefir instead of, I guess, having dinner drinking kefir. Mm-hmm. She said it killed her cravings.
I ended up overcrowding the pot too much. I put way too many ingredients, but I'm gonna just let it do what it do. Let it simmer and cook. Hopefully the dumplings get cooked because they seep in, like they're not even all the way submerged.
Okay, guys, I changed my clothes and Winston said the food was ready, so I wanted to come have some. It looks so good. It tastes even better than it looks. He put a little curry in it. He wanted it to cook down longer, but the pot was like a little bit overcrowded, but you would never know because it tastes so good. Mackerel, banana, pumpkin, dumpling. Oh, that must just be a piece of ginger that I got?
Yeah. No, that's like one of those fancy carrots.
Okay, it's a carrot.
What's up, y'all? Today is another long day All these days been really long. Right now, we headed to go put this girl wig in.
No, today I'm going to get a ponytail. I feel like whenever y'all see me and my hair's looking crazy on camera, that means I'm going to get my hair done.
Yeah, and I'm capturing it. But today, we're doing that. And then we got to come home. We got to shoot for Express, right?
Yeah, we got to shoot Express.
And then I got to edit it right away. And I got another video that I got to edit. And we still got to go to the studio and get some closet sale stuff done. And while she's getting her hair done, I got to run to go pick up old iMac chassis for parts because I'm putting back together my old iMac that I had broken down, taking apart to turn into a monitor. So, yeah, it's going to be a long day.
And I woke up, remember I told you guys about this pimple? So definitely...
What pimple?
This pimple on my face. I think I did a pretty good... Back up. I think I did a pretty good job concealing it.
Move.
But I woke up, my energy was just really, really low because I'm so tired. But now I feel a lot better, and I'm excited to go get my hair done, and I'm excited to continue with the date. Wow.
You don't say it like change. I got a job. Hello.
I'm excited to go get my hair done and everything like that. You know, after you get your hair done, you start feeling good. And I'm happy I'm getting my hair done right before the shoot because it'll be like a little bit of a mood booster. And then we'll have the rest of the day done. But I just washed it last night, put it up in this high bun. And I used my Colleen Rothschild hair mask again. And I really like that stuff. I really, really like it. Put the earrings on her.
Damn, that's how she talked to me, yeah.
That's how you gotta talk to them sometimes.
No respect. You know, black women don't respect black men.
Oh my gosh, please. You gonna get a podcast next?
Yep. Go in the studio right now. How you feel about 50-50?
If you broke, just say that. Okay, you guys, so we just got to Aisha's salon. Y'all already know Aisha. So we're about to reinstall some hair that we used before. Oh, y'all know who he is already. Say hello, introduce yourself to the vlog.
Hi, I'm Devon, I'm Aisha's assistant.
Okay, so we all in here today. So Aisha's about to reinstall some hair that we've used before. This is actually hair that we used for my first install. This is the wavy curly.
Yes.
This is the wavy curly, and I think it was either 16 or 18 inches. I can't remember. I'll double check and I'll link it in the description box for you guys, so you'll be able to purchase it. But I really, really love this hair, so we're gonna try it for a ponytail this time. All right, so today I'm getting a ponytail, and we're gonna reinstall hair that I've already had. Because Anibu hair, you can use it over and over again, take care of it, and you can reuse it. So we're gonna reinstall the bundles that I had of wavy curly. And this is 16 or 18 inches, but I'll have the information for you. And we're gonna do a really cute ponytail.
Hey guys, this is Aisha Seiko, and today we are going to add
I'm gonna leave a little bit of everything everywhere.
You got it.
All right, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye. Successful shoot, y'all. Successful shoot. Let me show y'all this computer that I had to go pick up. Hey, hit him one time for the 2 time. I had to go pick this up, and the screen is cracked, but it's all good. I'm gonna replace this with mine. I needed a new case.
Okay, how's it going?
It's going good so far. I was able to swap the power supply or the power inlet, and I was able to swap the stand. So that's what I'm doing right now. Putting the stand on, and there goes the one I just got. And it got like a whole bunch of dents in it. I was just gonna keep the whole chassis, but you can see the dents and stuff in it. It's a little beat up, so
Yeah.
I just switched out the parts, which made the installation a lot longer.
How long you think it'll take for you to complete it?
Probably another hour and a half, 2 hours.
Oh, that's not bad.
It's not bad, but that hour and a half, 2 hours could turn into tomorrow if I don't know how to.
If you miss something or
Yeah, right.
if you put the wrong place or
Exactly.
cross the wire.
Well, we ain't crossing the wire. You cross the wire, it's over.
What's gonna happen?
Shit ain't gonna work. You'll blow a damn circuit.
So now, what's up with the headgear?
These are from my sponsor, Parke Avenue.
I like it.
Check out your headlamps.
Check the description box for a headlamp.
Alright, so I've been working on this thing for like 5-6 hours. Going into this, I didn't want to get my hopes up, so I was already prepared for it to not work. But now, here's the moment of truth. It's either going to work or it's going to fry the motherboard. So let's find out. Uh-oh! Come tell me. You tell me.
You did it.
I did it.
So it was worth it. It was worth that little last wild goose chase for the cord. Oh, wow. So it took you longer than you thought, but it worked.
Exactly. It worked. It worked.
And now that you did it, you feel like it was easy? Like, you think you could do it again?
Yeah, it's definitely easy. It's just so many parts.
Yeah.
But let me say, it's not easy. It's years of experience of knowing what different things do that accumulate to knowing how to put this together and how to splice wires and stuff like that. Because it wasn't as simple as just taking it apart and putting it back together. Because I had cut some wires.
Yeah.
Now I'm happy.
Congratulations.
So we ain't got to buy another computer. So this is our ship station computer where we're going to be shipping all of the Parke Avenue and the Parkway stuff. So I'm happy.
I'm happy for you.
All right, y'all. Peace out.